Named after the Apache Indians who once used the route, the Apache Trail, or Arizona 88 as it is officially known, links Apache Junction with Roosevelt Lake through the Superstition Mountains and the Tonto National Forest. It is 40 miles of steep, winding, and mostly unpaved road past magnificent scenery of twisted mountains with dense forests and several deep blue lakes. It is the western half of this trail which is the most scenic and well known. However, caution is required when driving as it is not recommended for large RVs or caravans. The largest RV company in the United States, Cruise America, does not allow their vehicles to be taken on this route. The road has been mostly closed since 2019 because of landslips and other damage associated with the Woodbury Fire, worst affected during the steepest section, just west of Fish Creek. The only part still open to vehicular traffic is the paved 18 miles from Apache Junction to Tortilla Flat.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.